Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up as an Uber driver. If you don't have an Uber driver account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn at least $1,080 for your first 100 rides trips in 30 days. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see a button for Sign Up to Drive. Click on Sign Up to Drive. To get started, enter your phone number or email address. Then click on Next. You will receive a verification of the email or phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Next. Since I already have an existing account, it just asks me to enter my password. If you also have an existing account with Uber and you use the same credentials, it will automatically retrieve your account. Now, there are several steps to set up your account. So you need to undergo a background check, upload a profile photo, a copy of your driver's license, vehicle insurance from your city, vehicle registration, and vehicle information. Since I already set up my vehicle information, let's now proceed to background check. Before you proceed, read first the disclosure. And if you wish to receive a free copy of your background check report, click on the tick box. Then click on the button that says Agree. Now, enter your SSN or Social Security number. It is needed for payments and to run your background check. Then click on I agree and acknowledge. After providing that information, click on Go to Next Step. Now, take your profile photo. You could take a photo using your phone or just upload a photo from your computer. Click on the option you wish to select. Once your profile photo has been uploaded, click on Go to Next Step. Next, upload a photo of your driver's license, or take a photo using your phone. After that, click on Go to Next Step. Now, upload a copy of your vehicle insurance. Make sure to read the following reminders before uploading it. Here, you will see a message saying that your document is being processed. It usually takes less than a day for this to be completed. Lastly, upload a copy of your vehicle registration, or take a photo of it using your phone. While your document is in process, click on Go to Account Status. And now you could just wait for all the documents to be processed. Once it is completed, you'll become an official Uber driver. That's how you sign up as an Uber driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.